Hey guys, welcome to Login Helps. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Voxi account online and start writing. Now to log into your Voxi account on your computer, just open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in voxi.co.uk and enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of Voxi. Let's accept all the cookies first. Now to log into your Voxi account from over here, which is the home page of Voxi, on the top right corner of your screen, sign in button or file, click on sign in, and after that you'll be directed to this page where you'll be required to enter your username and password to which you have signed up for a Voxi account on Voxi, and then click on next, and then you'll be able to log into your Voxi account from there. Or if you have forgotten your username or your password, simply click on forgotten your username or password to here to give your username or password depending upon which one you lost. That being said, there guys, this is how you log into your Voxi account, and if you have any comments regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for